Seriously, robot controlling what it takes.
2, 1.
Well, you said it's not a problem for Easy Over, but earlier today, Easy Over was moving into the altitude, into the bracket, and immediately the frying pan's come loose. So that's going to save our ears. The frying pan is now just rocks. There's no longer going to be batching everywhere. I don't know, I'm sure they're going to throw on that in the corner to get rid of the robots. It's just... Well, I was going to say, Uplift and Petrichor, they were teaming up against BBB because Easy Over is just having his own portal. Copy of what happened earlier today. Look at the balls that are being won. Brilliant, Joe, brilliant, Joe. So, let's get back in the trouble for Easy Over is technically eliminated. And there it goes. So that does go look the win. Well, you say a little bit chilled, it is, unless you're beating Mareep, because they're frantically trying to stay alive in this battle. 2v1 against two very good control robots. I don't think Mareep actually get underneath it, but it's got very confused look at it. I don't know what it's going to hit it. They're very confused. And it looks like Uplift and Petrichor are taking it in turns, actually, to take their fight over on BBB. What did that shit ever do to you? Absolutely nothing, but now they're just flailing it up into the air. They're just teasing it, they're just playing with it.
It's working now, it might take a while for it to get there, but eventually,
So this is a self-righting mechanic. This allows the robot to split themselves to the right side. The 5-second countdown has begun. They are just rounding into beat Mareep. It's so unnecessary at the end there.
Mareep is on top. I think that is a win for Uplift for Petrichor.